Ah, this bug is killing me. Got him! So a couple of years ago, I took this plain bug zapper and turned it into the Bug Slayer 3000. I've always liked this paint job, and I wanted to revisit it again. Well, thanks to a lucky Amazon search, I found this little item. But apparently, it's not safe in my state unless it's yellow. Well, look what just arrived. Yep, it's time to make the Bug Slayer 3000 2.0. There are times when I reflect how easy it is to get hobby supplies these days. And there's so much information on how to make modifications to your toys so they look real, and you can even make them from scratch. A few months ago, a Home Depot TikToker started his channel centered around all the different types of lightsabers you can make from the PVC parts in the store. I have always enjoyed making things custom, but I love how I keep learning how endless a path there is to creativity, to literally alter the fabric of life around you to suit your vibe and aesthetic. So to paint the blood splatter, I usually get an arrangement of different reds. Sometimes I'll get some black and use that as a backdrop to the red or mixed in with the red. And the first part is you want whatever big impact that would have been there. You take some newspaper, you cut a hole in it, and you shoot the paint through the newspaper. That prevents the overspray, and it gives you an organic look when you paint through it, rather than doing it directly and you just get a circle. And I find it to be a good effect. And then after that, you put a glove on your hand, you spray all the paint in your hand, and then you just kind of flick it in the direction that you want it to go over the prop, and it gives that good splatter effect. And that's the techniques I'm going to be using. So similar to what I did with the bug zapper, I'm going to have some heavy things up front. So the blood and guts will be like black and some dark reds. And then the flicking method, I'm going to get it so that it comes across the entire gun from the forward going backward. And I think that that will give me the effect that I'm looking for. Now, as a quick side note, I typically never buy Greeblies. I always find things for free and tear them apart, but I have a few builds coming up ahead where I'm very particular about what I want, so I bought them. The eBay person was selling them from England, and they're these cool little knobs. Probably got about 20 of them, and they're full weight, they're awesome. And he wrapped them in newspaper. And the cool thing about it is, you can see the old school where they put the times of TV shows in newspapers. I didn't know they still did that anywhere in the world. Well, I guess if you're not interested in what's playing on Sunday, you could do a crisscross. I guess that's a crossword puzzle? A little different. Potato, potato, fries, chips. Things are different no matter where you go. Hope you enjoyed this little blast of the past.